Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Raiju and your PC. This saves time later. First, make sure the controller is charged or use the supplied USB cable. Use a rear USB 2, 0/3, 0 port for stable power. Next, flip the controller mode, switch to PC or wired mode. This tells the hardware to enumerate as a USB device. Once done, plug the cable firmly into the controller and into the PC. You will feel a slight click. That confirms a good physical connection. Once the Raiju is physically connected, let Windows detect it. You should see a device-ready notification. This is the system recognizing the controller. If you want customization or firmware updates, install Razer Synapse. It provides drivers and tools that ensure full functionality. Open Synapse, sign in, and locate the Raiju entry. Then, run any recommended firmware updates. This resolves compatibility issues. Make sure the cable stays connected during updates, because interrupting firmware can brick the device. You finish by configuring Windows and testing the controller. Open the Windows Game Controller's dialog or Steam Big Picture to verify button mapping and analog response. Calibrate sticks if you notice drift. Launch a controller test app or a game with diagnostics to confirm triggers, bumpers, and paddles respond correctly. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Swap the USB cable and use a different port. Then reinstall Razer Synapse. This fixes most connection and driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.